In this video, we're going to explore how Sabre Production has given you the ability that during the receiving process, it could automatically create a transfer order, which is incredibly helpful for any of your in-transit inventory and just opening up your visibility. So we'll open up Business Central, and here I'm just going to navigate to a purchase order the same way that you guys would within Business Central natively. I'm going to open up a purchase order, which is to our East location, which is a few days away. So we've got a purchase order. It's created the exact same way as you guys normally would. I've got a power cord. So the same way that I would do in Business Central, this is a super easy feature to use. It really just automates something you'd have to do manually. So I'm just going to receive as I normally would. I'm going to update my posting date. I'm going to validate on the power cord line the quantity that I've ordered, the quantity that I want to receive. Obviously, full lot and serial tracking is supported. I'm going to go ahead, I'm just going to post, and I'm going to indicate that I want to receive. So the system is asking me, do you want to create a new transfer order? Do you want to add or not create one at all? So this is really handy because if it's something that I haven't started yet, I can just initiate a new transfer. If I've already started a transfer order and I'm receiving multiple POs, I can just keep adding to the shipment that's going to be shipped from my East location. And of course, if for whatever reason I wanted to just initiate a transfer order at a later date, all those scenarios are supported. Because I haven't started anything yet, I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to create a new transfer order. So now all of the same things occurred that would normally occur during a receipt. My quantity was received, a posted sales shipment was created, and then if I go to look at my transfer orders, I can see that there is a transfer order that was also created. I can open that up. So it's transferring from my East location, it's transferring to my main location, it's using the in-transit code set up in my transfer routes. I can see here that this is the power cord for 8 pieces. And then if I notice over here, it's also been shipped. So if I look at my item availability, not only have I received those products to the East location, but it also was able to ship that from the East location to my in-transit location. And all I'm left to do is just receive those products from the own logistics warehouse to my main warehouse whenever the product shows up at the main warehouse. So being able to auto ship the transfer order is also a setup that you can control. Or if for whatever reason you wanted to just initiate the post of the transfer order shipment when you get confirmation from that offshore or that separate location, you could also do that. All of the scenarios are fully supported. For any questions on this cool feature or for any of the other Sabre Production features, please feel free to contact us using the contact information provided.